Kind of like Hot Nurse meets Mechanic.
Have you seen Animaniacs?
A long time ago.
Hello, nurse. No?
Yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. Future Ann here again. So I asked in the last video if you wanted to go ahead and guess how much Astral the Schoolie weighs, and I got some guesses on that. So I wanted to announce who the winner was, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe if you guessed over the amount, then you're disqualified. So it's whoever is closest or under the amount. So Astral the Schoolie weighs 21,540 pounds. I wanted to congratulate Liz Durand, 2550 for their guess at 10,500 pounds. You were the closest and under it. The other guesses were too high, unfortunately. So I wanted to go ahead and do that. I also wanted to say I am going to be super swamped the next couple weeks, but I am doing my best to get these videos out to you, and I want to try to get them caught up to where I'm currently at timeline wise. That being said, let's go ahead and take a tour of Rapid City. We stopped by a couple shops and everything in this video, and it's pretty cool. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll catch up with you later. No restroom of it? Oh, they quit moving. What's the name of the store that we're in right now?
Happy Days.
Happy Days. Toy store and stuff, right? They got a bunch of really cool stuff. We're looking around, and what do we see here, babe?
Fucking van life. Toy van.
And you think, oh no, maybe it's just a van. No, let's take a look.
Look at that kitchen setup. What else they got?
There's a kitchen setup and a bed right there.
Wait. What if you could attach
This looks
solar?
like maybe a max fan. You can get solar to adapt and put on the top
accessory
here.
solar.
Hold on, let me put the other way just to. Oh my God, is that an awning?
No fucking way.
They have an awning.
Kayaks. He's getting up there to load the kayaks.
Oh my God.
That's fucking
This
dope.
is what's.
You could put this on the back of that and load the kayaks.
If you need ideas for your van, just come to the toy store.
With his little rocket ship, he goes, "Mother, I built the prototype to go to the moon." And she's like, "Eh." But could you imagine if you could just build a little
For when you're an adult,
prototype?
and you can get the prototype for
Look
the
at there's
van
3
that you
seats
want.
in the front.
The unicorn attack garden gnome. Crazy cat lady. This one's on the toilet.
Have you seen Ethel? Have you taken a good look at Ethel Mertz?
No.
Look at him. Look how young here.
Oh no, he's really young there. They have some unique stuff in here.
Mm-hmm.
That is an Elvis Presley gas pump. $985. Just to add the fan, and you got your Marilyn Monroe.
Right. Are you enjoying yourself? Okay, Blue Steel.
What are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118,
been chosen. Oh, dang it.
We didn't realize we were on a time limit.
Flaming finger, baby. Just a couple of lesbos. Go, baby. Oh my God. What? Come on, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I got it. No, I got it. 100%. Yeah.
It's all you. Get it.
Oh my God. Fuck it up.
Oh my.
I fucked it up so bad. Let me do it again.
I wasn't recording. She totally just freaking won the jackpot.
Flaming fingers, baby. Hi. Barbecue or something.
They are so. This is so good. I just realized while editing this video that I didn't really talk about what I was doing here underneath of the bus, but you're going to see some footage of us putting a tow hitch on the back of the bus. So I would first like to give a shout out to Cindy who got us this tow hitch. Thank you so much. And yeah, we're going to install that, and then I did some tattoos while I was here as well.
Like hot nurse meets mechanic.
Have you seen Animaniacs?
A long time ago.
Hello, nurse. No?
Yeah. Baby. Yeah, you're disgusting.
Little buddy over here.
Made a friend.
Yeah.
What's his name? Oh